Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Boxplots look intimidating, but you can master them in 60 seconds. Let us break down the 5-number summary to identify the correct claim right now. First, map the boxplot components to the x-axis. The left whisker starts at 0, the box edges are at 5 and 40, and the median line sits exactly at 20. Now compare these values to the options. Option B states the median is 20. Looking at our graph, the vertical line inside the box aligns perfectly with the 20 mark. Finally, check the others. Q1 is 5, not 20. Q3 is 40, not 30. The range is 60 minus 0, which is 60, not 40. Only option B. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Don't misread the scale. Always check all parts and axis units to avoid the trap.